What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Orlando. I think I've gotten a ton of videos here, but headed to Trophy Room because someone said, hey, they might be a Trophy Room. Let's go. Of course, I already had plans to come to Trophy Room since that is the big sneaker boutique to the area. All right, people are buying the UNC toe ones, and people are looping the line. Like, I didn't think there was any resale on these, but maybe for local sales. I'm waiting for my boy. He's not here, so I might have to get his pair because his size might run out. This fool barely made it. barely made it. All right, cool. So he's gonna get his pair. I'm not getting one here because I got one in LA. I'm gonna look around though. Of course, I'm gonna look around. They do got a ton of J's. And they got J's I ain't even seen before, so can't wait for that. Then the Trophy Room 7s do got those. I didn't know those came with a cool box like that. Okay. Then they got a dope collection. This is like a cool gray collection. All of them have gray uppers, and then they have white midsoles. That is fire. Yeah, I just thought they were all cool grays, and I was like, wait, these ain't even cool grays. I don't see no orange and stuff on there. And the white midsoles all different. These look freaking fire. They're all suede too. They are all suede. And of course, they do have a connect with Jordan, obviously, so you know what I'm saying? Like they get their own little things and stuff, man. These are fire, dude. Even stuff like this. Like she's like, yeah, I got the cool grays. It's like, nah, I got these instead. Freaking fire. Frank did get an okay for me to continue to vlog because they're only doing 2 at a time just for the people who are buying. But dude, I've never even seen these before. Man, I freaking love these. I do have the Mellow 2s at home. You know, but those are highs. These are fire, dude. $150. And then do got the maroon 2s. Do got these bad boys. Are these the airships? Do they got these here? Damn, okay. I haven't seen these anywhere. That is fire. Do got the chambrays. Got some mids right here. And then the Dunk collection. Do got these bad boys right here. The Chicago splits. I haven't been to the mall lately, so I need to see if they're still available. You know, the drop was definitely random, like different stores were getting them at different times. And then of course they got the pandas, and then they got these mocha ones. And then we've been seeing these here and there, but it's nice to see them at a retail store because I've only seen them like one-ofs and stuff. But yeah, they do got these right here, the Air Max 1 premiums. I don't remember what colorway this is. And then AJKO Jordan 1 is right there. $120 for these lows, all canvas. Got 2s, AJKO1 highs. And then got these. I've never even seen these. What the hell is this? The midsole is covered with that fabric. This is crazy. I've never even seen these before. What is this? And then do got these mocha looking things. Got the Mars yards. Then got grade school, all kinds of grade school heat here as well. Damn, they closed off the upstairs. I want to see if I can go upstairs later. See about that. Do got the off-whites, and then original Jordan 1 highs right there. The OGs. You can see how bootleg the wings look. All right, we need to get in close to that. Look at that. Look at how bootleg that looks. That is hilarious. But got the box and everything. Is that an outlet find? Those of you guys that don't know, this store is owned by Marcus Jordan, Jordan's son. So obviously they have a lot of personal stuff that nobody else has. And we saw a replica of that picture at Chic out in Culver City, but they got one by Nike with the signature. Okay. So this is the downstairs area right here. Got sneakers, and then also got apparel, a bunch of Mitchell & Ness stuff. Then got the Authentics, of course. Got the Authentics. And these are fire. There are subtle differences between the different years. And then this is the rookie year right here. Pinstripe one. I think that's one of my favorite ones. Of course, got the USA. Got the All-Star 96 one. This is the All-Star 96 version. And then got some Shaquille love, Shaq love. That's what's up. Y'all know I'm a fan of him. These are swingmans right here. And they do have a ton of other apparel. Remember these? If you guys watch every one of my videos, y'all remember these? I found these at the outlets. Yeah, $100, dude. I could have gotten these for $30, but they're super stiff. That's the only thing I'm not a fan of. Like all the different logos and stuff are ridiculous. Ridiculous, like the 21s, 19s, like super fire. It's just super stiff. It's just hella stiff because it is made of canvas. And then they got some basketball shorts similar to that. Oh, it says Flight on it, and then got longs, man. They got long canvas. I guess they got a pair of khakis with that material. That is fire. They have a matching jacket, which I was not aware of. Those going for $130. And then Alma Money. This is so freaking premium. This, if I bought this, this would be the nice jacket I have. Because the materials just feel so freaking premium. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. This is $2, and this is worth every dollar. Hoodie right here. This hoodie is ridiculous too. Alma Money just makes such great stuff. I'm such a fan of their stuff. That's why I've gotten every one of their Jordans. $150 for those. They got a black one as well. These things just hit so freaking hard. Then they have a regular sweatshirt. This is a long sleeve. It's just a long sleeve. But that embroidery, just super nice. What's the cost of this bad boy? $55 for those. And they have like a work jacket, $90 for these. Alma Money just, man, these hit hard, dude. And dude got Frank. He got his. He was able to get a size 12. They ran out. Yeah, they ran like right before. So I think you might have got you might have got the last one. Holy crap! So did work out. He did bring his big boy camera. So I'm gonna be his cameraman because I told him I was like I wanna help him be a cameraman, dude. You know, because he big time like that. So I'm gonna help him with that. Then they do have highlights. That is pretty dope. They play their music on there, and then they got Jordan highlights from way back when, or documentaries and stuff like that. That's pretty fire. And a lot of you guys are gonna be mad as hell to see these. Do got the trophy room ones. Obviously, they're not for sale, but they do have it on their mannequin right here, which is pretty fire, dude. Pretty fire. They have the blue laces, if y'all know. And then the trophy room 7s. I don't have any 7s. I have someone helping me out with the Cardinals. We're gonna do a little thing for that. Trophy room 7s. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I'm pretty sure they don't have any of those because they don't have them on display other than behind the cashier, but this is fire, dude. All right, I'm trying to do the pants, stuff like that. Man, that stuff ain't easy, man. Especially, man, no gimbal, just doing it by hand. It's crazy. And then they do have other apparel here, which is kind of crazy. Do got Jordan trophy room apparel. This is fire. Little short, man. I like longer shorts. I'm an older dude. Like longer shorts. But the fact that it has a trophy room logo, Jordan logo, super fire. Oh man, where's the price tag, man? Come on now, man. Show me the price tag. Y'all making it tough, but it is fire that they have this. They have this old school one too, without all the nice trimmings and stuff. And then these hitting for $75. So I would think these would be going for a little bit more. Does have the nice band on it and stuff. Super fire. They got their own jacket too, like a windbreaker kind of jacket. That boy going for $175. And then, oh, that's dope. That's dope. A sweatshirt. This is super. That's a hoodie. My bad. Super thick. Super great material. Price tag unknown. And I got the metal button on it and stuff. That's fire. I got t-shirts and stuff. Pretty dope. Not gonna get this anywhere else. Does have a statement on the back right there regarding the Dream Team. $50 for the t-shirts. Trophy room shirts going for $50. Jordan's house right there. His gate, his front gate going for $50. That's some pretty dope gear. Pretty dope gear. And then even here, they didn't get that many pairs, man. They did run out. Frank, I don't think he would have gotten his pair, but Frank did get his. Then he's shooting a video here. And Duke got a Jordan jersey, all freaking flowers and stuff. That's pretty dope. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at how short, man. Nobody's trying to show all that thigh. What the hell? What? Oh man, I thought these were something else. Man, I'm tripping. I thought that was one of the Air More Up Tempo shorts. I had never seen that in a retail shop. I only seen them like on the internet when fools were finding them at where were they finding them at Burlington and Ross, stuff like that. Oh well. But yeah, got women's gear up there. He's getting all fancy shooting B-roll and stuff right there with this big old camera. I'm just using my phone. Sweet, they did let me go upstairs. Let's go upstairs, let's go. All right, I am upstairs in the loft. This seems like a lot of their designer stuff is right here. And I say loft because you can see Frank and everybody downstairs. Dude got a bunch of the Off-White stuff. He's telling me about all the brands, all the designers. I don't really know the designers like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, dude got a bunch of the Off-White stuff. Yeah, these are going for $6.35, and that is the retail price for all these. Definitely got the Dunk vibe to these. Got the Dunk low look to them. Is that like bad to say? I don't know, because these are $700 shoes, $660. Oh, this is the one thing I'm not a fan of, like the dirty look. I'm so not a fan of that. I guess regular people were always trying to keep stuff clean, and then the rich, you know, they just, you know, hey, we just want to look like some regular people. Then, of course, we do recognize that. Obviously, these are inspired by some boats. But okay. These look comfortable, though. The midsole, outsole looks pretty comfortable. Definitely not in my price range, but okay. Dude got the bag right here. These go for like $1,800. Super interesting. Put a lot of detail on it. They got paper clips, and then even on the paper clip, you see it does say Off-White on it. They use you know, really exquisite leather, that type of stuff. I can't justify spending my money on this because I'm just not that baller like that, you know. Dude got collabs from Ready Made. He's very knowledgeable. The guys that do work here, super knowledgeable. He was telling me about all the brand names or all the designers. I don't even know the designers and stuff like that. There's Ambush, there's Ready Made, apparently Saint, and these are the designers that run Ready Made or that started Ready Made. I don't know, but yeah, I don't really know all the designers like that. I do have another flower design right here with the Trophy Room 5s. I feel so dumb for not buying some of this, like even if I got it for resale like right after, because these are going for crazy money now. Yeah, kind of a short thing, but I don't really know all the designers and stuff like that to explain everything to you guys. But yeah, this is the upstairs area in Trophy Room. All right, guys, that was upstairs. This is downstairs. Gonna head out to a vlog with Frank. So
that's about 10 miles from here.
Okay.
About a 20-minute drive. That's the best sneaker mall in Central Florida, the Florida Mall. We got 5 sneaker spots in there. We got Foot Locker, we got Champs, we got JD Sports, we got Adidas, Shoe Palace. Matter of fact, we got 2 Foot Lockers in the building, man. So we got both of that. Show y'all what's poppin'.
All right, let's go. Then they do got a few men's sizes. Like obviously they don't have the bigger sizes. And then the Trophy Room 7s, they still have a few of those for sale, which is definitely surprising. So Trophy Room right next to, or right in the middle of downtown.
We have a park called Lake Yola.
Got a church right here. Pretty cool spot. It's hot as hell though, man. God dang. I'm telling you, it's different from the California heat, man. I seen y'all talk about it. I see Mike Rich talk about it. Like yeah, no, it's dry over there, so it's so different. Pretty dope. I got to see downtown Orlando, and I told you, man, they be having water everywhere, and I'm like afraid alligators are gonna come out every one of these bodies of water, man. The other side right there, I'm telling you, man, just ponds, lakes, creeks, everything.